But for today's closing, they will not owe any extra sales tax to state taxes due to this being a flyaway state, which means he doesn't live in Missouri. He's not going to register it to Missouri. We got no business in Missouri. We just happened to be there for closing. So I flew to Missouri. We then told escrow that we were ready to closed on the airplane. Then I flew it back to Mayfield, dropped off my colleague, and now I am headed on the delivery flight to Thomason, Georgia, which is kind of by Augusta. And these flights are really exciting for me because I get to actually hand over the keys and see my client. I don't get to do this all the time. A lot of my closings I'm in my home office for. So whenever I get to come be a part of it, it's really special. And of course, I love flying airplanes, so I get to help out my client by delivering it to him. Ah, blue skies.